All right, welcome back. We are in the kitchen with Chef Maria Kemp from Beyond Decadence. Good morning.
Good morning.
We saw your Facebook post yesterday, gearing up for
Yeah.
our show.
She got a new haircut.
Thank
Do you like a new haircut
Yes,
just
yes,
for
yes.
today?
Trimline, streamline, summer hair.
Well, tell us what we're making today.
Well, today we're making a gluten-free banana and chocolate chip pudding. Now,
that sounds
it's
good.
also vegan, so before you turn the TV off, because you're saying vegan, I don't do it, give it a shot because it's really amazing.
Okay.
We'll try it out for you. How about that?
This is tofu. I just wanted to test to make sure power worked. This is 4 ounces. I'm making a half
So you
batch
just-
from what's on the from the recipe.
Okay.
Oh, go ahead.
I'm sorry.
I was going to ask, why do you need tofu in pudding?
Tofu is a protein, but also it gives it body.
Got it.
And
Okay.
for the vegans, they need to have something that gives it body, gives it
Got it.
substance.
Okay.
So we're going to put in a banana. Now I'm doing a half batch. Like I said, the recipe that will be published later will be the full batch.
Okay.
So I'm just doing 1 banana instead of 2, and I've got 4 ounces of tofu. I've got a little bit of chili powder and cinnamon,
Ooh.
just for fun.
Is it going to end up sweet still?
It's going to still be sweet. And I'm actually adding the Ghirardelli 60% dark chocolate chips in here because then it's going to make it a little bit chocolatey. And then I'm going to use agave.
Okay.
And I found that you did actually need to use, I won't say a lot, but the required amount. This is 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Okay, let's put that there.
So is this like a dessert, like a breakfast? When would you eat this?
You could eat it for dessert. You could eat pudding for breakfast. Who doesn't eat chocolate for breakfast?
I'm
you could
fine
do
with
that
it.
too. Okay, so there's that.
And are we using like a NutriBullet to make it?
Yes, we
cool.
are.
I like
yeah.
that.
I use this for protein shakes all the time, but it works
Nice.
great for this. So 2 bananas, a cup of tofu, a 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips, 2 cups of agave, vanilla and cinnamon and chili powder. And then you just shake it. The shaking is the important part.
There it goes.
Yep.
Just got to kickstart it a little bit.
And the more you grind it, the more it will actually mix. You won't
Yeah.
keep going just for time purposes.
You even
Absolutely.
took care of those chocolate chips in there,
I
didn't it?
did, yeah. Then it gives it a chocolate flavor, and then I'm just going to pour it into this fancy little cup because that makes it really fun.
Now that's talent right there to
Yeah,
get
it
it in
is.
that small
I don't think I would
cup.
be able to make that.
Hey, I went to chef school to learn how to do this part, this part alone.
That's what they teach you there.
That would be all over my hand at this point.
Okay, and just shake it out, and then you let it chill in the refrigerator. Now you'll see
Okay.
I made this one last night, and it's darker because I blended the chocolate chips longer.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And
So
then you
it's
get
not
the
gonna actually
fancy
look
little
like that.
spoons. And I have one for the
Cute.
ladies to try.
Yes, please.
Here you go. You can pick one
Yum.
either with the gold sprinkles on the top.
Cute. And then
because
these are
those
like little
fun.
shaved chocolates.
Well, I'll take
And
Yeah,
then
chocolate
shaved
chips.
chocolate because you can
Oh,
decorate
cute.
the top any way that you want. Like I brought some freeze-dried strawberry that I could put on the top. I have a
fun.
blackberry sauce that I put on the top, so you really can have fun.
That's good.
And decorate it however you like. It just needs to chill in the refrigerator just for, you know, these are little, so it only needs to chill for maybe about an hour.
I could have
I don't
this
taste
for breakfast.
tofu.
You
I don't
don't
taste
taste the
tofu at all.
tofu.
I don't
Now,
know what tofu tastes
I
like.
did.
but I
It
know.
does not have any flavor or taste to it. It takes on the flavor of whatever you put into it. And I did put a little coffee flavoring in those.
Oh, I do taste the
Yeah.
coffee.
It's
Yeah.
delicious.
Yeah,
Well, you've got a couple events coming up.
I do.
Tell
I'm
us about 'em.
really excited.
Well, we have a little snack here. Tell us
Yes,
about it.
absolutely. Well, you have your little coffee boost. Yes, I've got an event on July 13th at Magnolia Market. It's a
Okay.
local artesian market, so there's going to be
Yeah.
a lot of vendors there from the area. But one of the ones that I just signed on to do, I'm really excited about, is involvement with the Gray Classic. And they're going to, it's a 4-day event, golf tournament, fundraising event for the 100 Black Men of Charlotte to help with their mentoring efforts. So they do a 4-day long event starting with the Ballantine Country Club, golfing outing. But where you're going to find me, so come see me, is at the Harvey B. Gant Center on July 19th from 6 to from 6 to 10 p.m. It's the Summer Classic. So I'll be there with Beyond Decadence desserts. There'll be other vendors. There's going to be music. So it's going to be an amazing time. So I hope to see you there, and I'm excited to be a sponsor for the event.
Fantastic. And then you can try some of the deliciousness that we get to try.
The decadentness.
Yeah, yes,
I finished
that's
mine
much
already.
better.
You
Me
did?
too.
Not
So
good.
you didn't like it at all then?
It was tasty. Thank you so much, Chef
Welcome.
Kemp.
Thank you.
We'll be right back with the product test right after this.